How to disable similar account suggestions on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can disable a similar account suggestions on Instagram while you might be trying to follow somebody else. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First of all, what you have to do is simply make sure to actually update the Instagram app to the latest version. If you haven't updated it already, you could head over to your device's app store. In the search box, type in Instagram and go ahead and simply check whether the app has received an update. If it does have an update available, go ahead and simply tap on the update button in order to actually update it to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Instagram, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you can basically see this is how the interface is actually going to look like. You'll be able to see a list of people whom you have followed as well as followed on Instagram. Right here also you can see you have a suggested accounts and similar suggestions. And let's say you don't want to appear in one of these suggestions. Let's say you also tap on someone's profile, for example, and then you actually tap on this plus button, and then you have these similar account suggestions right over here. What if you actually don't want to appear and then turn off the suggestions for your profile as well? In order to do that, we will not be able to actually do it from the app. You can see even if I go to the edit profile button, I will not be able to do it from the app. What I have to do is actually simply log into Instagram through my browser. So in my case, I will simply open the Chrome browser. You could go ahead and actually select any of the browser which you might actually want to use. Once you open your browser, in the search box, you want to simply go to instagram.com. So you can head over to instagram.com to the official site of the web version of Instagram. I'm also going to leave this link down in the description box. Over here, what you have to do is simply tap the login button. So I'm going to enter my details and first of all log into my account. Once you enter your details, tap on the login button first of all. And after you log into Instagram, you would still actually be on the mobile version of Instagram, which is the mobile web version. And what we have to do is we would have to actually switch to and request a desktop site. So in order to request a desktop site, what you have to do is on your browser, tap on the three dot icon. Now you could actually be able to find different options depending upon your browser, such as if you're using iOS, you might have Safari, and in order to request that desktop site, there is a different way. So you want to be aware of that, and then simply tap on the option called request desktop site. Once you actually request a desktop site, you can see will be loaded like the web version of the Instagram app or the Instagram web version. So on the top right hand side, let me just zoom in for a little bit. On the top right hand side, you'd basically be able to see your profile picture. What you have to do is simply tap on this profile picture, and then you want to simply go to profile. Once you go to your profile page, again over here, what you have to do is at the very top next to your name, you will find the button which says edit profile. So tap on the edit profile button, and you're going to be taken to this page. And under this page, right at the bottom of the screen, you'll find a button which says similar account suggestions, and you can see it says include your account when recommending similar accounts people might want to follow. So what you have to do is simply actually uncheck this button right over here. Make sure to actually uncheck it. Once you uncheck it, tap on the submit or save button which you see. Once you submit that, it is actually going to remove your account from the similar suggestions on Instagram. So this is basically how it works in order to remove the suggested account on Instagram. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.